To install a package from PyPI, we use a tool called pip. Now, if you're on Mac, similar to Python, you should use pip3. Now, with this tool, we can do various things, such as installing packages, uninstalling them, upgrading them, or listing the currently installed packages. Let's take a look at a few examples. So here, to install a package, as the first argument, we pass install, and as the second argument, we specify the name of the target package. So here, I'm going to install this requests package, which we're going to use to send HTTP requests. So let's go ahead. All right, this is successfully installed, but here down the bottom, we have a warning in yellow that is saying you're using pip version 10. However, version 18 is available. So this version 10 is the version that came with my Python installation, but because pip is developed independently, we need to upgrade it from time to time. So right below that, you can see the command that you need to run to upgrade pip. That is pip install -- upgrade pip. All right, now I have the latest version of pip. Let's look at the packages that are currently installed on my machine. So pip list. Here in this list, you can see we have installed the version 2.20.1 of the requests package. This version you see here is what we call semantic versioning. The first number represents the major version, the second number represents the minor version, and the third number represents the patches or bug fixes. Now back on pypi.org, let's search for the requests package. So here we have a few packages with a similar name. We've got requests, request3, and request2. And they're not always in the same order, so make sure to pick the requests package without 2 or 3. Now on this page, on the left side, you can see the release history of this package. So the latest version that I've installed is 2.20.1 at the time of recording this video. There are times that you want to install an earlier version. Perhaps the latest version has a bug or is incompatible with the other packages you're referencing. So let me show you how to install an earlier version. So back on the terminal, let's say we want to install version 2.9.0. That is very easy. Just like before, pip install requests. Now we add 2 equal signs followed by the version 2.9.0. So as you can see, this successfully uninstalled the latest version that was version 2.20.1 and then installed version 2.9.0. Now here we can also use wildcards. For example, pip install requests equal 2.9. That means install the latest compatible version with version 2.9. So if there are any patches or bug fixes, include those as well. Now here on pypi.org, you can see we have 3 2.9 versions. This is the base version, and then we got a couple more versions before version 2.10. So when I run this command, pip will install the latest compatible version with 2.9.0, which is 2.9.2. Let's take a look. Now we got this message, requirement already satisfied, because we already have version 2.9.0 installed. So first we need to uninstall it before we install the latest compatible version with this. So that is very easy. Pip, this time we're going to use uninstall and then requests. We don't care about the version. This is asking for confirmation, so let's go ahead. Now requests version 2.9.0 is uninstalled. So now let's install requests version 2.9. This will install the latest compatible version with 2.9. We also have another syntax for installing the latest compatible version. So instead of 2 equal signs, we use a tilde equal sign. And then here we specify a specific version, let's say 2.9.0. Once again, this will install the latest compatible version with 2.9.0, which is 2.9.2. Now we can use this asterisk with the minor version as well. For example, let me uninstall this first. So pip uninstall requests. Okay, let's go ahead. Good. Now pip install requests. 2 point asterisk. This will install the latest compatible version with version 2. So back to the release history, if you scroll to the very top, you can see the latest compatible version with version 2 is 2.20.1. Let's go ahead and run this. There you go. So we successfully installed requests 2.20.1. Now we can use this package just like the modules in Python standard library. So we import requests. Now we have a module object with these members. You can read about these on the documentation for this package. So back on pypi.org, here on the page for the requests package, if you scroll down, you can see a link to the documentation. Now, back to our code, I'm going to call the get method. Let's send an HTTP request to google.com. This returns a response object. For now, let's simply print the response on the terminal. Let's run the program. So we got a response with the status 200, which indicates success.